In this video, you are going to learn how to use font awesome icon in your HTML and CSS projects. To get started, you need to search for CDN.js in your browser. Then you can click to open it. It's downloading, so click on libraries. You come to this section where you have font awesome. Then click on copy link tag. So it has been copied. Then you go to your VS Code. You are going to paste the code under the head section. As you can see, it has been pasted. After that, come to your browser and search for font awesome. Click on it. Click on icons. Then you are free to search for any icon that you like. So say for instance, if I need a social media icon like Facebook icon, I can search for it. So as you can see, we have a lot of icons there. Since we are using it for free, I'm going to filter it by free so that it can give us the available ones that are free to use. So these are the ones we can use. So you can select any one of these. So I'm going to select this one. After that, click on this section to copy the code snippets. Now it has been copied. Then you go back to your VS Code. Let's create a section with a class of social links. Feel free to paste this code any section that you need to use it. But this time around, I'm going to paste it here. You can use as many as possible as you like. So now I'm still going back to font awesome. So I'll get the Instagram icon as well. So I'll click on this close arc. Then I'll come back and search for Instagram. As you can see, so I'm going to select this one. So you can click this section to copy the code snippet. Then you go back to your VS Code and paste it wherever you need it. Now we have these two icons. Now let's preview it to see how it looks like. These are the two icons. So you can use as many as possible that you need for your project. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create any video related to HTML, CSS and JavaScript. By the way, if this video has been helpful to you, please support my channel by sharing this video with someone who might like it. Also, subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.